Howdy, so you got Robert here. We're at 5268 Fishing Bridge. We're called out just to check out on the maintenance and stuff like that. We got inside of here, noticed that there's nothing in her line, but we are noticing that there is some roots on the in the city's line. We had the same problem last year. There's a big crack right in front of this line, and a lot of the roots grow right in front of this line, and then we try to clear them, but we are unable to clear those when they're out there that far, just because that the head of our machine will flop around a lot because it's a large pipe. So we will get a hold of the city, have the city come out here and jet this line out again for her and see what they can do. Alrighty guys, so we'll start pulling back, and if I see anything I'll let you guys know, but as of right now there's absolutely nothing going on inside of here.